Hey guys, Terry Stone here with another video for y'all. As you know, I'm doing changes to this channel. I'm making it more of a mindset / teaching you guys how to make money instead of trying to always sell you something. Just giving you guys an update. I know it's been a little bit since I've done a video, but that's because I'm in the process. If you can see that, I got my newer, I think that's how you say it, or newer boom arm for my mic. I got this here, my pop filter for my mic. The mic I will be using mostly, I will test this between my Snowball Blue Ice, my Blue Snowball Ice, but my Fifine I believe is how you pronounce it, K669. Excellent microphone, guys. I've told you guys I'm going to start a podcast, so now I've got my mic stand, I've got my mic, I've got my pop filter in the mail. It was supposed to be here yesterday, but something happened. I'm not sure what happened, so it might not be here till Friday. But I have a shock mount that comes with that little tiny bolt in order to hook my mic up to the boom arm. I didn't know I needed that. I thought it came with the boom arm. I guess I should have read the details a little bit more clear, but I have it coming in. It'll be here Friday, hopefully sooner, but hopefully no later than Friday. I'll be able to hook it all up, and I'll show you guys the end result, guys. Y'all have a wonderful day. I look forward to giving you all some more motivational videos. Have a great one, guys.